Designing PCBs is hard. Our service makes building them easier. If designing PCBs were easy, then everyone would be inventing the next big technology. To go to the moon, to protect our armed services, to improve vehicle safety or secure your home, even to save the planet. But in real life, PCB designers must deal with complex builds, constantly changing requirements, and deadlines that seem to get shorter and shorter. Fortunately, Advanced Assembly is here to help. Our say yes attitude and personal service guarantee your build is successful. We act as an extension to your team. You'll get a huge support staff dedicated to your specific design. You'll have real people with real experience to talk to for advice. Our sourcing teams will find and purchase PCBs and parts for you, even the hard-to-find ones. And our technical experts will check your design for manufacturability, then oversee the entire process. Don't settle for anything less. You shouldn't have to figure out which PCB service to use or hunt for a number to call. And you definitely shouldn't accept slower speeds or lesser quality just because the shop is nearby. You deserve PCB manufacturing made easy, and that's what you'll get with Advanced Assembly. We were built specifically to meet all the PCB needs of design engineers with personal service you won't find anywhere else. Trust the #1 leader in the industry. Send us your files, then relax, knowing your design is in our capable hands.